Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my dear fourth class students. So, today, very important topic. Everybody listen carefully. Here in this problem, some conditions is given in your activity book. See, activity book, page number 17. Everybody open. Now, I am drawing numbers here. Listen carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So in one space 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits. Here also 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits. C A. Now second one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits. Here 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here B is equals to. Now next. The camera see here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C. See here. See here, everybody see your textbook. What is the condition? First of all read. See here, look at the blackboard. I am writing on the blackboard condition. Put the beads in such a way. ఒక పద్ధతి ప్రకారము బీడ్స్ని పెట్టండి. ఓకే, 17 పేజ్ నెంబర్ 17 బేటా. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 17. సి పుట్ ద బీడ్స్ ఇన్ సచ్ ఏ వే దట్ the number formed in A is the biggest number and C is the smallest number. So A is the biggest number and C is the smallest number. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 99. This is also 99. This is also 99. So according to our condition, it is not correct. A is the biggest number and C is the smallest number. So A 99, B 99, C also 99. The given number, 3 numbers are equal. So condition is not satisfied. Then what we have to do? See here. In tens place, how many bits are there? 2 bits are there. Then in tens place, 2 bits to shift to hundreds place. Now I am two beads, these two beads, listen carefully. These two beads shift to, now I am taking to hundreds place. Then here how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads are there. Now here how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads are there. Here how many beads are there? 2 beads are there. What is the number? 279. See here. 200 according to our condition, A is the biggest number. So 279 is the biggest number than B than C. See, B is 99 and C is 99. So one condition is completed. Once again, see here, put the beads in such a way that the number formed in A is the biggest and C is the smallest. Means A is the biggest number and C is the smallest number. But according to our activity book, A is 99, B is 99 and C is 99. The given three numbers are equal. What we have to do? See here. Now I am taking this problem. A problem. See here. 9 beads place at one's place. 9 beads placed at tens place. So what is the number? 99. So 99 is satisfied? No. Then what we have to do? In tens place how many beads are there? 9 beads are there. You can 9 beads arranged in tens place spike. ఇందులో మీరు 9 beads arrange చేశారు. ఇక్కడ 9 beads arrange చేశారు. So the total number is 99. Though condition is not satisfied. Then you can take 2 beads from tens place to hundreds place. Did you understand? 2 beads taking from, shift from tens place to hundreds place. Then here in hundreds place you can keep 2 beads. Next here 2 beads taking from this side hundreds place. Now here how many beads are there? How many beads left here? 7 beads left here. So 7 beads now 7 beads in tens place. Listen carefully. 2 beads in hundreds place. 7 beads at present 7 beads in tens place. Means we have taking 2 beads from tens place to hundreds place. So 9. Total 9. So I have to take 2 beads from tens place to hundreds place. How many beads left in tens place? 7 beads. So then you can write here 7 beads. Now I can write 7. Now here ones place no taking as it is. So here how many beads are the 9 beads? So 279. So one condition is satisfied. A is the biggest number. Okay. Now next C is the smallest number. What is the condition? C is the smallest number. Means you can change the B condition's value. See here. In this figure, so 9 beads in ones place and 9 beads in tens place, the total number is 99. Now I am taking 1 bead from tens place to hundreds place. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి బీడ్ను తీసుకొచ్చి నేను ఏం చేసా ఇక్కడ రాసా. సో కట్ ఇట్. So here how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here how many beads are there? 9. Here how many beads are 1. So what is the number? 189. See, C is the smallest, 99 is the smallest number. So A is 279, B is 189, C is equals to 99. So our condition is satisfied. Very simple. Did you understand everybody? So now next problem. See, next problem. See, draw beads in such a way that the number formed in B is the smallest and C is the biggest. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads. Here 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 3 beads. Here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See. Draw beads in such a way that the number formed in B is the smallest number and C is the biggest. See here age equals to, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 46. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 63. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the condition? B is the smallest, but B is the 63 and C is the biggest, 65. This is okay. Okay? So one condition is satisfied. C is the biggest number because A is equals to 46, B is equals to 63, then C is equals to 65. So this condition, one condition is satisfied. Now next, B is the smallest, means so you can change both two numbers. See here how many beads are there in ones place? 6 beads. Here 4 beads are there. Now I am taking two beads to tens place. See here. So what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 64. Okay. See here. So in this problem, so in ones place 6 bits given, in tens place 4 bits given, but I am taking from how many bits? I am taking 2 bits from ones place to tens place. So tens place, the previous bits how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I am shifting 2 bits in tens place. So what we get? We can get 6 bits. So here increasing, okay, but here decreasing. So 4 bits to shift to tens place. So 2 bits cut to here and remaining bits 4 in ones place. And here, so how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can add 2 bits. No, total 6. What is the number? 64. So next here, what is the condition? B is the smallest number. So 63, 64. Now here, in tens place, this is also correct. So here 64, here 63, here 65. See here, B is the smallest number here, 63. Next, C is the biggest number, 65. Just A is 64. No, not satisfied. See here, A 64. B 65, C 63. So C is the smallest number. So this is the problem. Now next. Right. A is equals to 64. So B is the smallest number, 63. So C is the greatest number, biggest number, 65. Okay, that's it. Now next, represent beads such a way that the number formed in A is the smallest and B is the biggest. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. See, condition C. Represent beads in such a way that the number formed in A is the smallest and B is the greatest. See, A 67, B 63, C 35. Here A is the smallest and B is the biggest. A is the smallest, B is the biggest. So you can compare these two, 63 and 54. See here, now I am taking one bead from 1's place to 10's place. See here, now I am taking to this. Got it. So here 7, here 2, 72. Next, A is the smallest, means here 34 is there, here 67 is there. Then, now I am taking one bead to 10's place. So here, one bead and it can last one bead. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, 2, 3. So the number is 43. Next, A is the smallest number. So the A number is less than 43. See here, in 10's place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, not 6, 57. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits given. So now I am taking 2 beads from 10's place to 1's place. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 57. See here, now I am taking 2 beads, means this is 2 beads to 1's place. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3 beads. So 39. See, our condition is satisfied. See here. A is the smallest than the other numbers. See, 30, A is 39, B is 72, C is 43. So A is the smallest number, 39. So you can got. So next, B is the biggest number. See, 72, 43. So 72 is greater than 43. So our condition is satisfied. Now next, identify the following numbers and put them in the given space. Page number 18. Identify the following numbers and put them in the given space. Now I am taking first row, first one. So this is see here 4 in 10,000's place, 0 in 1,000's place, 1 in 100's place, 3 in 10's place and 9 in 1's place. So first of all you can write their places. 1's, 10's, 100's, 1,000 10,000. See here. So 4 in 10,000's place, 0 in thousands place, 1 in hundreds place, 3 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. So the given number is 40,139. Now first row, second one. This is first row, second one. Okay, see here. See, you can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See here, that is first row, second one, that is blue in color. 6 is in 10,000's place. You can write 6 is in 10,000's place. Next, 8 in thousands place. Next, 5 in hundreds place. Next, 1 in tens place. 8 in ones place. The given number is 68,518. Now, first row, third one, green color. So this is. See here. See, listen carefully. This is very important. The visible out. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See here. 0 in 10,000's place, 7 in thousands place, 7 in thousands place and tens place. Tens place also 7. 0 in hundreds place and ones place. See what is the number? In 10,000's place 0 is there, it is not valued. So the answer is 7,070. Now second row, first one. See here, this is second row, first one, blue in color. Second row, first one. This is, everybody see here, 1 in 10,000's place and 0 in remaining places. Very simple. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See here, 1 in 10,000's place and remaining 0 and 0 in remaining places means thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. You can write 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the number? 10,000. Now next, second row, second one. This is. Now next, second row, second one. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See here, 9 in 10,000's place. You can write down. 0 in thousands place and hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 7 in ones place. The given number is 90,047. Now next, second row, third one, purple color. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. See here, remaining problem you can do. 7 in 10,000's place, 5 in thousands place, 4 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. The given number is 75,429.